Why checking your tire pressure matters. Hey everyone. Today, let's talk about something super important but often overlooked, checking your tire pressure. It might sound boring, but trust me, it's a game changer for your safety, wallet, and your car's overall health. First off, safety. Underinflated tires can lead to a whole lot of trouble. They reduce your car's grip on the road, which means it's harder to steer and brake. Imagine trying to stop on a wet road with less grip. Scary, right? Plus, underinflated tires are more likely to overheat and blow out, which can be downright dangerous. Next up, fuel efficiency. Did you know that underinflated tires can actually make your car use more gas? It's true. When your tires are low on air, they create more resistance, which means your engine has to work harder. That's like running uphill all the time. By keeping your tires inflated correctly, you can save money on gas and help the environment too. Finally, tire life. Properly inflated tires wear out more evenly, which means they'll last longer. Replacing tires can be expensive, so extending their life is definitely a win. So, how often should you check your tire pressure? Experts recommend checking it at least once a month and before any long road trip. It's quick, easy, and could save you a lot of hassle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care tips. Your safety is important to us.